Infinity's back. Uh-oh, we got the top coming. Oh my god! Yo, what is going on, guys? Hunter Films here. Today back with another video. We were at another car meet yet again, and this isn't an ordinary car meet. We actually got some permission to do some fun stuff. We got this beautiful car rolling in. Oh, that's pretty. I like that a lot. Anyways, so we have actually permission to have a rev battle at 9. So it is like almost 6:30 right now. So hopefully we get some cool stuff out of that. That's gonna be really fun. We have a cop here, so we can't even do anything. We're chilling. We're having a great night. Hopefully we can get some cool content for you guys. So make sure to stay tuned, keep watching the video, and yeah, let's get right into things. We walked into the Dollar Tree and I just noticed, I don't know if y'all hear that, but that's my lens. My lens is broken. Yeah, we got the RC car drifting again. Cody's driving my RX-7. Yeah! 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 Oh, that was better! Alright, so my boy just got a new exhaust. It's homemade. He also has test pipes. And I want to hear this thing because I haven't heard this thing. I'm gonna sound like that. I mean, I'm totally not gonna sound like that. Oh, we got the S2K. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. That's my favorite color. Oh, yes. That's so pretty. Oh, he got a big boy exhaust. He got a big boy exhaust. Oh, it's added soon. He's gonna be one of the boys shooting flames later on. Hey, we got a Skyline that just rolled in. This thing sounds pretty. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh my God. Yo. We got a freaking RX-7 pulling in. Oh my god, this thing is really sexy. Yes, I love it. I think this dude's getting a ticket for being in a handicap. Well, that sucks. Yeah, he's drifting the Supra in front of the Gus. He's drifting the Supra. Yeah. He's stretching. I think he's trying to do a handstand. Yeah. Oh my god. What is that? My nose hurts. Why does my nose hurt? We got this loud ass Corvette just started up. Let's see this thing drop. Oh my god, it's so loud. God. Oh my god. Oh boy. There's a Honda two-stepping. Wait, keep going, keep going. I'll show a little one at the end. Alright guys, rev battle is about to happen. It's gonna be crazy. Someone's doing a burnout. Infinity's back. Oh god. Alright, so we got the Camaro, and then I think the Z's after that. Uh-oh, we got the cop coming. 3, 2, 1, go! He's smiling.
Who y'all got? Camaro?
Yeah.
What about the Z?
Yeah, the Camaro. Not gonna lie, I don't know how this rib battle thing's working out, but we're doing it, so. Alright, we got the Camaro and the Civic. Look at all these people. Alright, sister, let's get it. Who's for the Civic? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Uh-oh. Hey, bro, what'd the cops say?
Huh?
What'd the cops say?
If I do one more time, I'm done.
Oh. What do you think of the car meet so far?
It's loud.
It's loud?
Hey, why'd you give him a warning? Why did you let him off with a warning? You know he was doing it more than one time. Yeah.
If he didn't see it, he didn't know. Well, I guess that's the rev battle for you guys. That didn't last very long.